Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. And we're still doing the Vlogmas bag unboxing. And sorry I haven't been posting any vlog for you guys, but I'm making up with unboxing videos. So yes, we're going to do another unboxing. I have one box here. Probably will do one box per day. I have ordered, the last time I ordered from Coach was probably 2-3 days ago, and that's it. Hopefully I will not order anymore. But yes, the bags are just, the boxes are just coming to my doorstep, one box per day or more. But yeah, anyway, so if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. So before we go straight to the unboxing, I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos and sometimes first impression bag reviews, and once in a while I upload vlog videos. So if you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. So now here's the box that we're going to open. This is from Coach Outlet when they're having 70% off. I didn't expect that 70% off will be back on Coach Outlet for their Coach Reserve bags. The last time I was able to buy 70% off on retail bags at the Coach Outlet was around April. And then after that, only 50% to 60%. But I'm surprised it came back, so I started buying. I ordered this probably more than a month ago, and then I didn't get any notification whatsoever, like the status of my bag. I keep on checking my order, and then it will just say shipping from the store, something like that. Yeah, but it didn't change. The status keeps on saying shipping from the store. But a few days ago, I received a package, and I was surprised. Like, I don't remember anything that's arriving today. So when I checked my orders, which one is coming, this one showed up. They didn't give me any tracking number. It just showed up in my doorstep. So I guess this came from the retail store, but I bought this from the Coach Outlet website. And the reason why I said that, because of the sticker. Normally if you buy from Coach Outlet, they don't put this sticker. And then looking at the shipping label, it came from Citadel Drive in California. I'm not sure if that's a boutique or an outlet, but yes, this came from California. It didn't come from Jacksonville, Florida. And this bag is 70% off. Let's open this. There's no plastic. It's not even wrapped in a plastic. Ooh. Ooh. What happened? What happened to this bag? Look at that. If you were packing a bag, you couldn't put it at the right spot, but let's see. So this is, what's the name of this? Is the page 24, I believe. Oh, page 27. So this is the page 27 in Beechwood. Style number is F29217 in Beechwood. Original price is $450. I got this for $135. Yes. So this is the bag. I wanted the oxblood with rivets, but I cannot find that one. But when this one showed at the outlet website, and it was 60% off at the time, I said that's a little pricey for me. But then when it went down to 70%, so I said, why not? Let me try and purchase that if I like it. If not, I will return it. But looking at the status of this bag, this might be a return, so going to show it to you. So looking at that, it's not brand new from the factory. Maybe it's a display or a return. I would love to keep it because it's hard to get the page bags anymore, but looking at the status, look at that. I don't know if I can fix this part. Maybe it's just how they store this bag, but I don't know. If you think that I can fix this, please let me know in the comment section. Look at this part, and then look at this and this part. So for $135, I paid $135 for a $450 worth of bag. Should I return it? Let's see. Part of me says yes, part of me says no, but we'll see. I believe this is made of glovetanned leather, this part. I'm not sure. Outside of the bag is pebbled leather and in Beechwood, but on the gusset, on the side, it's smooth leather in chalk. It has gold hardware, and I think this is supposed to have a hang tag, but I'm not sure. I know Coach usually have a hang tag, but this one I don't see any. So most likely this will be returned. Yeah, I don't see a hang tag. I think this is part of the 1941 collection. And it feels like the inside is a glovetanned leather. So that's what the inside looks like. It has a compartment here, back pocket, like compartment. That's where the gusset is. So that's compartment. And it's all leather at the back, and then 1941 canvas there. And there's a zipper pocket with the 1941 canvas. And then middle compartment as well has the 1941 canvas and a snap closure pocket there. And then on the front part, glovetanned leather all over this part and 1941 canvas. So I'm looking for a hang tag. There's no hang tag. I guess this is part of the 1941 collection because the zipper pull says 1941. Where is your hang tag? So when the leather on the top is like it overlaps. That's how the closure is, and then there's the Turnlock closure, and here's the shoulder strap. There you go. So this shoulder strap comes with 5 adjustments. So 5 adjustment, and it's not that long. It's on the middle setting, but yes, it's not that long. Just a shoulder bag. Oh, yeah, this might be a return. It doesn't have the hang tag, but I might call their customer service to see if they can do something about it. But do you think this will go away? Like, I know this looks like just dent from how they stored the bag, but I don't know. I like the design, but look at that. I don't know. And look at this part as well. So the stitching of this bag, oh, it has a contrast stitching. Look at that. The stitching is in chalk color. stitching of the bag is in chalk color, which is nice. Yeah, this is glovetanned leather. Oh yeah, it says glovetanned leather on the bottom. Yeah, so this is part of the 1941 collection. This is nice. This is nice, but it's wrinkled and no missing hang tag, so I might return this bag. So let's do a try on. So now let's do a try on this bag. This bag has 5 adjustments, and it's on the longest setting. So this is how the bag looks like when you're wearing it on the longest setting. It's a nice size, but I'm not sure if I want to keep it. If we wear it like a crossbody, like, you know, some people wear it like this, it's doable. And then let's change it to the middle setting. This is going to be on the middle setting. Middle. And now let's put it on the shortest setting. Yeah, so this is the shortest setting. Still like it has more room to move. And I've noticed that on the shoulder strap, this is Beechwood. On the other side, it's saddle. So that's it, guys, for our Coach Page bag. This is a Coach Page 27 bag. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!